In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background, and in Heygen 2024, we'll start right from your browser to keep this simple. Open a new tab and head to Google. In the search bar, type Heygen and press enter. You're looking for the official Heygen site in the results. Click through to open it, and you'll land on the main page or your dashboard, depending on your setup. Once you're in, look for the Create option. Click that, then choose Create a Video. Next, select the option to create in AI Studio. This takes you into the editor, where you'll see your canvas in the center and a set of controls around it. Give the page a second to fully load so all tools are available. On the right-hand side of the editor, locate the avatar background controls. This is where you'll manage how your scene looks behind your avatar. If your screen is a bit crowded, try zooming out slightly or expanding the right panel so you can clearly see the background options. Click on Color to open the color picker. You'll see swatches, sliders, and a preview of how the background will look. Now adjust the background color you want. You can drag the hue and brightness sliders, tap a preset swatch, or fine-tune the picker until you land on a shade that fits your project. As you adjust, keep an eye on the canvas preview. The change is reflected in real time, which makes it easy to compare options quickly. A few tips as you choose. For talking head content, softer neutrals like light grays or muted pastels help keep the focus on the avatar. If you're matching brand guidelines, aim for consistent hues across videos. High contrast between the avatar and the background improves readability and accessibility, especially when you add text overlays later. If your video will include captions, test the color with both light and dark text to make sure it stays legible. And if your avatar has dark clothing or hair, a lighter backdrop will usually look cleaner and more professional. Take a moment to preview a couple of alternatives before settling. You can nudge the saturation down for a more subtle, modern look, or push it up if you want something bold and attention-grabbing. When the background looks right to you, you're done. Your selection is now part of the scene in the editor. That's all there is to it. You went from Google to Heygen, opened a new project in AI Studio, found the avatar background on the right, clicked color, and adjusted it to exactly what you need. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with your new background.